Okay guys, this is a long baler, which is the same as a Ford 530. So 532, 530s, guys, almost all the Ford balers. Needles are outrageous from New Holland, and I just made a rectification because I have a bunch of needles on board. And other than you see the gap right here, you know, I'm trying to hold these needles together, So, well, maybe I can get it to, hang on guys. So, stack them right on top of each other. But as you can see, this right here, this is a little bit wider right here, but that can easily be ground out or shaped. But the arch of the needle is exactly the same. The hole spacing is the same. And they probably changed the bolting pattern, but the 14T needle is just a little bit longer, and it'll work. Goes in. It's a cheaper option, guys. So I get those brand new. I think they're for 130 or 140 bucks for 14T brand new needles. Used ones I think are 75, 85 for a good set or a good needle. So just so you know, it's just notice the needle looked really resembled a 14T, and son of a gun, it is, guys. But if you look, so the match identical, other than the 14T is a little bit farther for the string hole. So, I mean, I'm pretty sure you adjust the rod on the side. If not, you could actually chop a piece out there and put it down and braze it up and re-weld it for what they price they want. Someone told me $700 they want for 4 needles now. So, a little option for you, 14T needle for a Ford baler. If you want to do a little modification, like I said, the biggest thing here is this is just a little bit wider pipe than the 14, so you'd have to do a little shaping right here. But as far as the bolt holes, you see them, they look real close. So, a little modifying, guys, but still a needle. Still a lot cheaper than $700.